to the live show ka Philane talk show yakhe. So I'm so happy to be here. I'm all yours, sir.
So now that we have heard from the heritage carriers about the separation of the black and white and a little bit about school in 1976, please tell us what really happened on June 16, 1976.
Thank you so much for the question, Philane. We are happy that you have raised or asked this question. The people who have just left are carriers, heritage carriers. Bayasebenza labantu, I have the information here. But what happened June 16 kahle kahle? There was a march which took place edwa abantwana besikolo.
Oh, I understand. Okay, sibonge baba, sibonge. So why were they marching extremely?
Ngiyazwa ukuthi ngakuwe ngale studio sakho studio 7 kunomsindo. Angazi studio 7 lapha kwenziwani. Kodwa ngathi kuyalunga. Why were they marching? They were marching because they were saying they are tired of being taught in Afrikaans. Bese bangasafuna ukufundiswa cabanga imaths ngeAfrikaans. Khona manje nje imaths ngathi hlulwa umuntu noma umntwana ayibiza ngesilungu. What more ngeAfrikaans?
Say I could say no more, right?
Yeah.
Tell us about the day, what happened. Please give us a layout, please. Yeah.
All right. So let me give a layout of what happened in 1976. So before 1976, before June 16, 1976, the 15th and the 14th, leaders, abafana nabo Seth Mazibuko nabo Theatre Machining, were meeting at Dube to try and organize ilanga lika June 16. Well, kwayenzeka ke ukuthi June 16 ifike, indaba enkulu iqale na Lady High. Ngiyacabanga abantu bakho bayayazi na Lady High.
How?
Iqale na Lady High, ena Lady High wena ke mphathi wami. Eksena abantwana naba bayangena esikolweni. Uprincipal wabo uyababiza uthabame eassembly. Mabathi bayaqala bayacula uprincipal uthi thulani kancane ngikwazi ukukhuluma. Baqala ke bacula ingoma ethi Nkosi sikelele eAfrika. Principal wathula yaphela mayiphela wathi ke hayi kulungile ke hambani ke emaklasini bathi asilapho.
How? Kampela.
Mabathi asilapho baphuma bahamba bekunzima kakhulu. Baphuma bahamba bathi today principal ngokuyithoba okukhulu. We want to take a memorandum. Memorandum elinye iphepha elinama signature wabantwana bakhuluma ngokuthi bona bakhathele ukufundiswa ngeAfrikaans. Manje bathatha memorandum leyo bathi bayisa eOrlando Police Station. Manje ke uprincipal wathi uyanqaba ukuthi uvala igate, bala bavula igate bahamba. Into emnandi ngabo, they were walking peacefully. Bebangashayi umuntu estradini, bengangalwisi umuntu estradini, they were walking kamnandi. On their way bebafuna ukuyolanda abantwana basesikolweni esinye esibizwa iMorris Isaacson. So iMorris Isaacson namhlanje nineJabulani Mall. Mawuqeda ukujump iJabulani Mall, kunesikolo ngale esibizwa iMorris Isaacson. Mabahamba ke bafika eMorris Isaacson bathatha abanye abantwana. Kanti ke nangale esayidini lesikole esibizwa uThabo ngale bese baqalile basebenza bahamba basuka ngale bayolanda abanye abantwana. Endleleni basuka ke eMorris Isaacson bahamba baze bafika eOrlando West bayiziphefeni. Yilapho ke khona kwenzeka indaba yokuthi umntwana adutshulwe. Lo mntwana adutshulwayo bekangayanga kwimarch, bekumntwana omncane obuye esikolweni. Akayanga esikolweni bamkhiphile ngoba bebazi ukuthi akunasikolo ngalelo langa. Yena akazi. So uyaphuma uthi uyofuna usisi wakhe. makathi uyofuna usisi wakhe kanti sekunamaphoyisa azwile amaphoyisa ukuthi khona abantwana besikolo abafikayo or abafuna ukulo kanti bebangalwa abantwana bebahambisa iphepha nje elisho ukuthi abafuni ukufundiswa ngeAfrikaans. Hawu lengane bantu benkosi idlulela nje. Ngiyacabanga mhlawumbe if bekuyisikhathi samanje bengizothi beyidla amakipkipi noma iphethe okuthile. Kodwa ke yathi idlula yashawa isibhamu.
Yo, hayi kwaze kwabuhlungu.
Yashona ke ingane kwaqala ke kwaba nendaba enkulu ke lapha abantu ke bathatha izinto bayashayana ukuthi ngale esayidini laseshawela bese kukhona umfana naye ososhonile igama lakhe uHastings Ndlovu bese kashonile naye kodwa ngapha uHector Peterson bengasi umntwana oyolwisa amabhuku cha uHector Peterson bekayibuyela esikolweni nje yena awumntwana omncane bekangekho nakuleyo march ayofuna nje usisi wakhe kanti endleleni lambamba ibullet washayeka wawa phansi.
Yo, ngiyabonga baba. So for my final question, I have two questions. Do you think the day June 16 is respected and well celebrated?
Well, respected and well celebrated enye into leyo. Irrespected iyahlupha ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bayayiphilela bavuka nje bona lapho bavuka khona bathi asambe siyogcoka ama uniform masiceda sehambe siyepatini noma siyojiva so mhlambe I'll respectwa ngalendlela ekumele respectwe ngakhona celebrated yebo abantu baya celebrate ngoba bayathanda into zokujiva nani so baya celebrate but I really don't think it's well celebrated because yona iJune 16 bekumele ilethe in our memory into enkulu eyenzwe abantwana baka 1976 abalwela ukuthi wonke umntwana njengoba siphila namhlanje abantwana if labaya bebangalwanga namhlanje mhlambe ngabe siyaqhubeka sifunda geography ngeAfrikaans or sifunda imaths ngeAfrikaans or ngoba besibona bebayifunda vele imaths beyibizwa iVeskende so bebayifunda ngeAfrikaans bo so ukulwa kwabo kuncede kakhulu ukuthi this thing ingaqhubeki.
Okay, ngiyabona kukhulu ngalelanga hayi. Okay, yokugcina ke question and my second question is was the march fruitful?
Yes, I think the march was fruitful. Yebo khona umntwana owashona siyabonga ukuthi at least abantu abafana nabo Hastings Ndlovu bona bashonela into ekhona kodwa loshe bekayihambela kuye esikolweni angazi lutho. Was it fruitful? Yes, because today we are not being taught or our children abafundiswa ngesibhunu. Our children are not being forced to speak the language which is Afrikaans. So yes sir, it was fruitful.
Okay, a round of applause for Mr. Mashinini, please.
Siyabonga.
So Minane, I'm signing out. See you next time. Sibonge Gini for your live. Ukuthi nibuke. Sibonge. Thank you.
Thank you so much.